2026 is the new 2016.
2026 is the new 2016.
21st November is the new
21st
19th
November is
November.
the new.
Would that be the case or not?
Would that be the case or not? It's still a long time
Before
to
that,
decide.
India play
Before
a whole
that,
lot of
India
ODI
play a
matches,
whole lot
and
of
here we
ODI
are today
matches
to discuss
and
the
here we are
India
today to
versus
discuss the
Afghanistan ODI
India
match
versus
preview.
Afghanistan ODI
It's the
match
first
preview.
ODI again. India
It's the
had
first
announced
ODI
the full
again.
strength
India
squad for
had
the
announced
ODI
the full
setup,
strength squad for the
barring
ODI
Jasprit
setup,
Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj who
barring
were
Jasprit
rested,
Bumrah and
and
Mohammad
again
Siraj who
Akshay
were
Patel
rested, and
again Akshay
Jadeja
Patel
as
as
well,
well not being
Jadeja as
considered for
well
this
not being
particular
considered for
series.
this
The
particular
selectors have
series.
said that they
The
want to try
selectors
a few
have said
different
that they
players.
want to try a few
Going to
different players. South
going
Africa,
to
they know the conditions.
South
Akshay
Africa,
Patel
they
and
know the
Jadeja
conditions.
both have
Akshay
played a
Patel and
lot,
Jadeja both
so
have
they know
played a
what to
lot.
expect.
So
They
this
know
time you
what to
have
expect.
Harsh
So this
Dubey
time you
in
have
as
Harsh
their
Dubey in
replacement. But
as
let's talk
their
about that in a while.
replacement. But let's talk
Coming
about
to
that in a while.
the big
Coming
players,
to the
three
big
big
players,
names,
three big
Hardik
names,
Pandya, Virat Kohli, and Rohit
Hardik
Sharma
Pandya,
Rehan.
Virat
All
Kohli,
three of
and
them were
Rohit Sharma
supposed to
Rehan.
play
All three
together
of
for
them
the
were
first
supposed
time
to
after the
play
20
together for
World
the first
after
time
the
after the
25
20 World
Champions
Trophy
after the
final.
25
But
Champions Trophy final.
unfortunately,
But
Kohli
unfortunately,
got injured in the IPL final. He's
Kohli got
got a
injured in
hamstring
the IPL
injury.
final. He's got a hamstring
Rohit
injury.
and Hardik both reported to
Rohit
the
and
Center of
Hardik
Excellence
both
here in
reported to the
Bangalore.
Center of
They were
Excellence here
supposed
in
to get their
Bangalore.
certificate
They were
of
supposed to
clearance,
get
but
their
unfortunately
certificate of
Hardik has
clearance,
put
but
up, unfortunately
unfortunately,
Hardik has
because
put
of
up
which he
another
got
injury,
at least a couple of
because of
weeks
which
time to
he at
return
least a
back
couple
to
of weeks time to
the
return
series.
back
So
to
the
the
professional
series. So
cricket. So I think
to
Hardik
professional
and Virat
cricket. So
will
I think
both
Hardik
make
and
a
Virat will
comeback
both
versus
make
England
a
in
comeback
July.
versus
But
England
you
in
have
July.
Rohit playing the
But
big
you have
series,
Rohit
a
playing
big
the
name,
big series, a big name.
straight up question to you. Lot
Straight
of
up question
players
to you.
around him
Lot
that
of
could
players around
potentially be
him
on that
that
flight to
could
South
potentially
Africa.
be on that flight to
One
South
is in
Africa.
the squad. That
One
is
is in the
Yashasvi
squad.
Jaiswal.
That
A
is
few other
Yashasvi
scoring
Jaiswal.
runs
A
in
few
the
other scoring
India
runs
A
in
try
the
series that is
India
currently going on.
A
That
try
is
series
Ruturaj
that is
Gaikwad.
currently going on. That
Do
is
you
Ruturaj
think?
Gaikwad.
Do you
As well,
think?
I have said a lot of things, but
My
I have
question
said a
is
lot
that
of things. But
do
my
you
question
think
is
that this
that
series,
do you think that this series,
whenever they play together, Rohit and
whenever they
Kohli,
play
a lot
together,
of pressure
Rohit
and
and
a lot of
Kohli, a
limelight
lot
is
of
on
pressure and a
Kohli.
lot of limelight is
This
on
time the
Kohli.
limelight would be on
This time
Rohit,
the
and would it
limelight
be
would
fair
be
to
on
expect
Rohit,
him to
and would it be
perform
fair to expect
even
him to
better?
perform even better?
Yeah, it will be a tough competition
Yeah,
for
it will
Rohit,
be a tough
especially
competition
because you
for
have
Rohit, especially because
Jaiswal
you
and
have
Shubman Gill, who are two
Jaiswal and Shubman
brilliant
Gill, who are two
white ball
brilliant
players,
white
and they have
ball
been
players,
consistently
and they have
performing
been
for
consistently
Team India.
performing
It
for
will be
Team
interesting
India.
to see who
It will
plays
be
at that
interesting
number
to
three
see who
spot.
plays at that number three
Jaiswal
spot.
is much more suited
Jaiswal
as an
is
opener,
much more
and
suited as
his
an
game
opener,
as an opening
and
batter
his
is
game
better than
as an
that of
opening
Shubman
batter
Gill.
is better
So
than
I
that of
would
Shubman
personally
Gill.
want Shubman
So
to
I
play
would
at
personally
three
want Shubman to
if
play
Virat
at
is
three
not available.
if Virat is
In
not
that
available.
case,
But
in that
if
case,
Rohit and
but
Virat
if
both are not
Rohit
available,
and
then
Virat
it's
both
a
are
very
not
obvious
available,
choice
then
that
it's
Shubman
a
and
very
Jaiswal
obvious choice that
will
Shubman and
open the
Jaiswal
innings. Will
as
open
you
the
said,
innings.
Ruturaj would be a great
As you said,
option
Ruturaj
for
would be a
that
great
number three,
option
four
for
spot
that number three, four
because he
spot
has that
because he
anchorability,
has that
and I believe it
anchorability,
was the
and I
ODI
believe
series
it was
against South
the
Africa or
ODI
New
series
Zealand
against
against
South
South
Africa
Africa
when
when
he
he
got
got
that
that century
when
with
he
Virat
got that
on the other
century
side.
with Virat
So he
on the
has
other
that
side.
game. He
So he
likes to
has
take
that
his
game.
time,
He likes to
play
take his
spin really
time,
well.
play
He's one
spin
of the
really well.
contenders in that
He's
middle
one of the
order for me.
contenders in that middle order for
Important
me.
for players like Nitish Kumar
Important for
Reddy
players
also
like Nitish Kumar Reddy
to be in
also
the scheme of things,
to be in the
because
scheme of things,
you need a player
because
of his
you
caliber
need a player of
with the
his
ball and
caliber
bat to
with
do
the
well.
ball and bat to do
Just in
well.
case Hardik Pandya has any
Just
sort
in
of an
case
injury
Hardik
going
Pandya
into
has
that
any
World
sort of
Cup,
an injury going into
Nitish
that
Kumar
World
Reddy
Cup,
would be a perfect
Nitish
backup.
Kumar Reddy would be a
His
perfect
bowling has
backup.
certainly
His
improved in the
bowling has
IPL.
certainly
He's bowling at
improved
high
in the IPL.
140s.
He's bowling at high
So
140s.
his game
So
has improved, stepped up, of
game has
course.
improved, stepped up,
But yeah,
of course.
bowling,
But yeah,
we'll come to
bowling.
that in a bit.
We'll come to
That
that in
will
a bit.
be a bit of a
That will be a
mystery,
bit
I
of
would
a
say.
mystery, I would
So
say.
for you, does Rohit
So for
play
you,
all the three
does
games, or
Rohit play
you
all
would
the three
expect him
games,
to be
or
rested in
you
one of
would
the games
expect
to
him to be rested in one
look
of
at
the
the
games
combination in case
to
he is not
look at the
selected for
combination
the
in
ODI
case he
World
is
Cup?
not selected for the ODI World
I
Cup?
think he should play all the three
I
games
think he should play all
if
the
he's
three games
completely fit.
if he is
It's
completely
a good
fit.
warm up for the going
It's a
into
good
the
warm
World
up
Cup.
for the going into the
50 over also has evolved
50
Naman
over
over the years.
also has
It's
evolved
not
Naman
the
over the
same as
years.
it used to
It's
be
not the
4-5
same as
years
it
back.
used to be 4-5 years
Now
back.
teams are
Now
very aggressive
teams
from
are
the word
very
go,
aggressive from the
and
word go
with the
and
new rules that have
with
come in
the new rules that have come
regarding the
in
ball, there is a
regarding
change
the ball.
of ball
Correct.
There is
after
a
the
change
30
of
third,
ball
correct. Yep.
after the
33rd.
25
Yep.
over.
that also
Yeah,
makes a
Yeah,
huge
so
33rd,
difference.
right?
that also
After
makes
that
a
wins.
huge yeah
33rd,
it's
right?
close to
After that
30.
wins
Yeah,
race. Yeah.
it's close to 30.
That
Yes.
also
Yeah.
So
makes
that
life
also
easier for
makes
the batters. It gives
life easier for the
bowlers
batters. It
a
gives
disadvantage, I would
bowlers
say,
a
because when the ball is
disadvantage, I
more
would say,
soft,
because when the ball
you
is
have
more
spin come
soft,
into play,
you have
reverse spin
spin
Correct.
come
come
into
into
play.
play, reverse
But
spin come into
now
play.
the
But
batters have
now
much of
the
the
batters have
advantage.
much of
But South
the
African
advantage.
conditions number are
But South
very
African
different.
conditions number are
If you
very
see, they are
different.
more seam
If you see,
friendly,
they are more
so you would
seam
like your
friendly.
pacers to
So you
be in
would like
form
your
and
pacers to
get
be
some
in
game time under the belt.
And I think you correctly mentioned that your pacers would be of utmost importance. You saw that there is no Siraj, there is no Jasprit Bumrah, there is no Bhuvneshwar Kumar, no Mohammad Shami. So there is lack of experience. By the looks of the squad that I don't expect more than two pacers to play. That is Arshdeep Singh and Prasidh Krishna and Nitish Kumar Reddy to be India's third medium pace all-rounder. But I do see potential for speed. I remember in the 2018 series where India were doing South Africa, a lot of run scoring was Virat Kohli, but a lot of wicket taking was being done by which I, for me, in my personal even if you don't play leg spinners in South Africa, at that time of the year, towards the end of the tournament pitches would be more tired, more and more important going into the latter half of the tournament. So looking at those conditions, I think play three all-rounders, which is three all-rounders, Nitish Kumar Reddy, Washington Sundar, and Kuldeep Yadav being the lone specialist bowlers. But bowlers, coming back to what it means for pacers, you know that on that flight, two pacers have already actually won at least Jasprit Bumrah. Actually, you can't guarantee Siraj, but Siraj is no debate about that. There's no debate about that. One or two spots are left. There are a lot of players. Harshit Rana currently not. He is obviously Gautam Gambhir. He has proven in the last few months that he is a worthy contender. He obviously has the ability to pick up wickets that we've seen in the middle overs. Down the order and down the 20-30 runs would be of utmost importance in the World Cup. So we had Shardul Thakur playing that, and in the final you saw them. And in the final you saw them specialist batters. We saw what specialist batters. This time we will be more mindful. This time we will be more along with Siraj, the other front runner. Technically there's only one spot, and you have three people. Spot one is Prince Yadav, Prasidh Krishna and Yadav. Prasidh Krishna and Arshdeep Singh. Rehan, who do you think will be impressive? Let's not get too ahead of ourselves.
But I personally feel that World Cup, but that's a topic for another World Cup. But that's a topic for another. I just feel the variety into the side. That would be very good. That would be very good.
He's a wide specialist. He's a wide specialist.
But you need one left. Just to make things a little and tactically you be ahead of the teams that are your opposition. So Arshdeep brings in that ability to swing the ball both ways. I mean his last 6-7 months haven't been that great. What we know of him, he the ability to bowl Yorkers, he has good pacer up front. He can trouble the batters left, right, whichever way. So I just feel that Arshdeep can make it to this.
Correct, and I think honestly, if you ask me, Jasprit Bumrah is not there for the England ODIs as well. Correct?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think the squad hasn't. Yeah, I think the but I expect him to be. Because he's had a long break. When we go there, one spot makes a comeback. So there's only one spot. And ideally, India would like to feel the lead up to the tournament. So in the lead up to the tournament, obviously there is one series. There is one spot, and there are three players in contention. Do you think Prince Yadav would get a nod in the first game, like Prasidh Krishna in the first game, or would it be Prasidh to lead?
It is too early to say, but I feel you won't have enough new ball bowlers also. Prince could be an option at least for this series, and you could give him a game and just see how he goes about because we have often seen that players who do well in their franchise replicated the same performances for the national. You would like to give him a couple of but I feel Prasidh Krishna's role is very different. Prasidh is actually a good bowler in the middle overs. He has control and the off-cutters that he bowls. I feel their bowlers for Prince could get a game or two.
And in your opinion, what does India's playing 11 for the first ODI look like?
I'm not sure about the 11, but I feel that it could be Kumar Reddy with Washington, and those would be my three all-rounders. Arshdeep is there in the squad, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I'll
he's playing.
definitely pick Arshdeep. I want to see how he plays.
I want to see
It's
how
been a
he
long time
plays.
since India also
It's been a
played
long
an
time since
ODI
India
game,
also
so
played an
it'll be
ODI
interesting
game.
to
So
see how the
it'll be
batters go
interesting to
about.
see how the
I
batters
really
go
want to
about.
see Jaiswal
I
score
really
runs.
want to see Jaiswal
He's
score
not had a
runs.
great
He's
IPL,
not had a great
but if he
IPL,
does well, then it'll
but
be a
if he
big
does
headache for
well,
the
then it'll be
selectors
a big
going
headache
forward.
for the selectors going
Shreyas
forward.
Iyer again being Shreyas Iyer,
Shreyas Iyer
he
again
would
being
be
Shreyas Iyer,
high in
he would be
confidence. He'll be
high
one
in
player that I'll be
confidence.
looking
He'll
at
be one player that I'll be looking at
because in ODIs he's
because
especially
in
done very well
ODIs
for
he's
India
especially
in
done
the
very well
Champions
for India
Trophy
in the
and
Champions
partly in the
Trophy
World Cup also.
and
So
partly in the World
all
Cup
eyes would
also.
be on
So
him.
Yeah.
All eyes would
I
be on
agree
him.
with you. Just one fact I would like to disagree with is I would like to disagree with. I don't see Yashasvi Jaiswal. I see Rohit and Gill opening. Ishan Kishan at number 3. Shreyas at 4. KL 5. Shreyas at 4. Washi 6. Nitish 7. Harsh Dubey 8. And only for the first game because it's gonna get play at Dharamshala. I don't think you need 3 spinners. So I don't think you need. You might as well see that you might as well see that India can field 3 fast bowlers that is and maybe heading into the second game you can swap out either you can swap out Prasidh or Prince, whoever did not excite or perform at the best in the first ODI, and you will swap them with the first ODI, and you will someone like Kuldeep Yadav. But my particular choice of Ishan Kishan over Yashasvi Jaiswal, Jaiswal was not a starter in the squad. Jaiswal was not a starter in the squad. He came in. Ishan Kishan was there. He came in. Ishan Kishan was there, and Ishan Kishan is replacing Rishabh Pant. Ishan Kishan is replacing Rishabh Pant. So India is eyeing two specialist wicketkeepers. One is obviously KL Rahul. So you need a backup wicketkeeper. And there are currently 3 options. That is Rishabh Pant and Ishan Kishan. If he is given an opportunity, I think is a correct place for him to play because number 4-5 because number 4-5 in their place. Shreyas and KL will retain their positions irrespective of the form irrespective of the form. So yeah, that and one more thing that I like to see and one more thing that I like to see is as an ODI captain winning a series as an ODI captain. He's currently two series as a captain. First one was against Australia. There we lost against Australia. Second time when we won, he was injured. He was in South Africa. KL was the captain. Then we moved to the KL was the captain. Then we won the first New Zealand series. Then we lost the other two. So there is no doubt he's a good captain. There is no doubt he's a good captain, but he still has to prove his record as an Indian captain.
You are right. I agree with you.
You are right. I agree with you.
The opposition is not very strong.
The opposition is not very strong.
T20s, I would have given 50-50 chance, but if 50-50 chance, but in the long run, Afghanistan that batting don't have that actually win a series in India. So I am expecting a whitewash. I'm expecting a whitewash, and it'll be good for Shubman Gill's confidence going into that England series.
And before we wrap up, Rehan, from an India perspective only, highest run scorer and highest run scorer and player you are watching out for, and player you are watching out for.
I'm looking out for Shreyas Iyer. So I'll pick him with the wickets. If Arshdeep gets full games, to play, then I'm picking Arshdeep.
Interesting. Bowler again. There is no doubt. There is no doubt. He has to cement his place. He has to pick up wickets. He has to pick highest run scorer. I'm going for highest run scorer. My player to watch out for is Nitish Kumar. He has worked his pace up. He's bowling He's bowling consistently, and he's got variation and he's able to bowl in the power plays. He's able to bowl in the swing power plays. I'm not asking him to open the bowling. I'm not asking him to open the bowling for himself. But in case things don't work out, and Hardik would be on a replacement, and Shivam Dubey is not a replacement, and Shivam Dubey is not Nitish. So let's hope that he performs to his best. He performs to his best. See you guys on the other side of the first ODI. See you guys on the other side of the first ODI. It is India. Thank you. It is India. Thank you. Bye. 2026 is